welcome to Straight Up by EdexLive. I'm Saumya Solanki, and today we are diving into something that's reshaping how we live, work and learn. So, let me ask you, when you hear the word AI, what comes to your mind? A robot takeover? A homework hack? Or just another tech buzzword? Well, this past week, OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, launched two powerful updates that could actually prove how AI can be useful if we choose it in the right way. Let's start with a bigger headline. GPT-5 is here. Yes, the 5th generation model that powers ChatGPT is now live. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman calls it a significant step towards AGI. That's Artificial General Intelligence, or in simpler terms, AI that can think for itself and do pretty much any task. According to Altman, GPT-5 is like having a PhD expert in any subject available instantly. Need to write code, solve a physics problem, draft a policy brief? It claims to do all of that with more accuracy and fewer mistakes. But is it just a hype? Well, compared to GPT-4, this one feels different. It's faster, it remembers more, it's safer thanks to guardrails that stop it from giving harmful or misleading answers. And it's now going to be integrated into tools like Microsoft Copilot. So you're likely to start seeing it pop up in your everyday workflow. Even if you are a free user of ChatGPT, you can still access GPT-5. Just with some limits, of course. Now, the second update, specifically for students. Just days before GPT-5 launch, OpenAI rolled out something called Study Mode. Let me break that down for you. Instead of just giving quick answers, Study Mode walks you through solutions step by step. It asks guiding questions, checks your understanding, and even adapts the lesson based on your level, almost like having a personal tutor. The point here is seemingly to encourage more responsible use of AI, as opposed to using it to get full essays or write your entire thesis. And the best part? It's multilingual, it's available in 11 Indian languages, it's free even for mobile users in rural areas, and it supports text, images and voice. This means a student preparing for IIT JEE in Delhi and another learning algebra in rural backward areas can both use the same AI tutor at no cost, as long as they have reliable internet. That's a big deal. Try it for yourself. Open ChatGPT, click on Study and Learn, ask your question, and instead of getting a shortcut, you get a learning process. There are some people questioning if students could misuse this somehow. OpenAI says they have added safety measures to prevent misuse, including filters and detection systems. But just like any tool, it comes down to how we choose to use it. So here's a thought. We often talk about the dangers of AI, but what about its potential to democratize access to education, to expert advice, and to opportunity? From GPT-5's promise of powerful human-like reasoning to Study Mode's attempt to reach India's learners, AI is no longer some distant idea. It's already in your phone, in your classroom, and maybe even your career path. The real question is, are we ready to use it well? That's all for now. For more such updates and informative videos, follow us on social media and stay tuned to EdexLive. Until then, stay smart, stay aware.